Hello, this is Stone, and thank you for being here. I want to talk to you today about protecting yourself when going to court. You have to have money, you have to have resources in order to fight. If you think that the only recourse you have is going to court, you're going to have to make sure that you can weather the storm, so to speak. Sometimes women will take you for child support just so you can't fight, right? Basically knock the wind out of your sails. If that happens, you're not going to be in a good position if you're working on the books. You don't want to quit your job either. So you need to gain some new skills and figure out how you're going to be able to finance your life, especially if you were living with someone or someone was living with you. Because when these things happen, the people or person that you were with, their friends, whoever, they are no longer a part of your support system in most cases. So you're going to have to learn now how to finance your life, especially if you're going to be on child support. Another thing that you might want to consider is getting something off the books, so to speak, right? And you got to realize when you start working off the books now your time gets limited to see your kids. So that's why I always say, or I continue to say with anybody who asks me questions about the court system, you want to try your best to keep these people out of your business, keep these people out of your life, and work something out amicably with the person that you're with or was with. If what you say is true, that your children or child is the most important thing, it should be fairly easy to work things out. Easy to say, a complete different thing to do. You want to keep records of everything, every single thing. There's no such thing as you gave someone that you were with money to take care of your child and you don't have a record of it. When you go to court, they consider that a gift, as if you would give a gift to somebody who you're not with. It makes no sense, but this is how the court system works. You just have to be careful about what you're doing. So keep emails, keep texts. Even though when you go to court, they don't really ask for that stuff, but you can keep it for your own records for whatever reason. Make sure that you're not, especially if it's a combative situation that you're in with your ex-partner, if you guys are not getting along, try to limit the amount of time that you spend around them, because some people can sometimes do things maliciously. For example, let's just say, for example, you get in an argument with someone, you go to pick up a child or something like that, and they get in your face, or they'll hit you, or say you hit them, or you assaulted them, whatever the case might be. Don't go into their house, don't go anywhere near them. Try to, if it's a contentious situation, just stay away and protect yourself. Don't put yourself in a position where something can happen to you, because some females would love for you to hit them so you can lose the case, so you can be arrested. So be careful of stuff like that. If somebody is toxic, you can't get along with them, try to meet in a neutral space where there's people around. That's why I'll keep on saying till the very end, try to work things out amicably. I've realized that works out more favorably than if someone goes to trial and a judgment is passed and a referee or a lawyer now has to make a decision as to what happens. Another thing I recommend is shut up. Whatever you're doing, just do it. You don't need to tell anybody about what your next move is. Their friends are not your friends for the most part, okay? And you're gonna see who people really are. You might find out that everybody who you thought was your friend is not your friend. Whoever you're going to court with, chances are they know what pushes your buttons. They're going to use your kids, they're going to use your money, to make sure that they can get a rise out of you. Don't let nobody get a rise out of you. I know it's going to be hard, but you'll be all right. Just use common sense. Common sense and good judgment, that can take you very far. Thanks for watching. Next time. Peace. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?